Hey guys, Joshua here, and this is going to be the October build of the month for PCs. It's kind of a series kind of thing that I'm trying to start, so hopefully every month there will be a new PC out, including all kinds of different stuff. The build for October is going to be a mini ITX build, and it's going to be a little bit special because there are quite a few new things in here, and I'll be going through all the parts and everything, and so yeah, let's go. First up, for the motherboard, we have the MSI B450i Gaming Plus AC motherboard. This is a mini ITX board that supports Ryzen, and it's actually pretty new, so I'm going to be very interested to see how this is going to perform, especially because there really aren't that many mini ITX boards that have support for Ryzen out yet. And for spec, there's pretty much everything you would ever need from an ITX motherboard: 2 DDR4 memory slots that can support up to 32GB, a single PCIe slot, 1 M.2 port, and it even has a wireless module for Wi-Fi. For the CPU, I'm going to be using the AMD Ryzen 5 2600, which has 6 cores and 8 threads, and this will be paired with the Radeon RX 580. I'm pretty interested to see how this will perform because AMD has some very interesting software like Radeon Adrenaline, which has the overlay, relive, and fluid motion stuff inside. Pair that with the fact that FreeSync becomes available with AMD GPUs, and this should be a pretty nifty little system. RAM is going to be the G-Skill Sniper 16GB kit, and it's going to be running at 3200MHz because, as everyone knows, Ryzen does a lot better with faster memory. The ADATA XPG M.2 SSD is going to be the storage of choice because it's relatively inexpensive, and you can easily go up to a higher capacity if needed, but for testing I'm just going to go with a 240GB one. The cooler for the CPU is actually going to be something really interesting. I have not actually tested this thing out, which is the Orcus 240, and I'm definitely looking forward to see how it looks and performs. So stay tuned because it definitely looks pretty cool, and hopefully it will stay cool. The power supply I'm going to be using is the Seasonic 550FM PSU, and you're going to be wondering, an ATX PSU in a mini ITX build? What? Well, this is going to be because the case here is the Ophion Evo mini ITX chassis that is able to hold a ATX PSU, and this is also very new, and I'm going to be building in it and checking it out and seeing how it does, easy, hard kind of stuff, but to me this is going to be quite an exciting build for October. Okay, that's for the parts. Be sure to like the video, subscribe so you can catch the next part of the build and testing and looks and everything else. Hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll see you all very soon. Ciao!